Hey guys, welcome to Tech. In today's video, I am gonna tell you that how you can use your smartphone as a mouse for your desktop or laptop. So let's begin today's video and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss the update. So let's begin. First of all, we will go to Google and type remote mouse and we will go to its official website and then we will go to get now and we will select the device whatever we want. For now I am installing it in my desktop, so I will download it for Windows and then I will complete installation process and then I will also install the same in my smartphone and make sure that your both the devices are connected to one network so that you can access them wirelessly. So for now my device isn't connected in the same network, so let me connect it and I have successfully connected. Now I will open the app in my smartphone and as you can see the mouse is working in my desktop, and for clicking you just need to double tap on the screen, and for the right click you can use the button given downside and you can easily access it. And you can also use it as a keyboard very easily, and you can easily type the documents from your smartphone and it makes your work easy. And you can also access the taskbar from your smartphone. As you can see, it is easy to access taskbar. And here every feature isn't free. For few features we need to pay. You can easily shut down, reset, log off or put your PC in sleep mode through your smartphone.